Okay, having trouble with line noise today. The QRM Eliminator's on. Now it's off. Look at this. Now it's going to be back on. The signals were really down today on 10 meters, which I don't know where they're coming from. I might have my beam off whatever skip's coming in. But I want to turn the QRM Eliminator off. Ain't that pretty? I can hear somebody in there, but boy, they're weak. Okay, it's back off. It's the best $50 I ever spent.
Okay, thanks, Jim. I'll give it a try from here. Anybody want to make a call?
Okay, now it's back on.
Boy, I'm not hearing anything, and hey, that's okay with me. My wife and I are actually going to the movies tonight. Haven't been to the movies in years. We're going to go see Who's Your Mother? Or no, Who's Your Father? Who's Your Father? There's a group on the island that makes movies, and they are so funny. If you guys have got Prime, Amazon Prime, check out Funky Beach in the movies, or if you've got YouTube, check out Just Past.
Okay, I got the QRM Eliminator off. You can see on the scope.
Okay, I guess we're out of here. Go back to Jim, and then back to Bud, and that'll be it, I think. Victor Yankee 2 Fox United. Go ahead, Jim.
Okay, it's back on now.
Go ahead, Bud.
Okay, I cannot hear Jim now. Funky, you've been strong all day. Guys, thanks so much for coming on. We can't do this without you, of course. HMQSO.com is the place to go to see where we do this.
Okay. You can see the signal. It's over S5. Now it's QRM Eliminator's back on. Like I said, this is the best $50 I ever spent. You have to have an outside antenna. I got a stereo vertical. And let me pull it out and I'll show it to you. That's how it's hooked up. And a cord goes to a radio, and then another cord goes to a power supply. So you can see what it does. Plus I can adjust it. That's better. That's a whole lot quieter right there. Off, on, off, back on. World of difference. $50 on eBay. It's called the QRM Eliminator. 73s, everybody. Everybody have a good day. Have a blessed day. KU4BSG, I'm out of here.